This video chart presentation of LIG Assets brought to you by OTCShowcase.com. LIG is a pink sheet listed stock trading our ticker LIGA. See right off, stock closed even today, right about 400,000 shares traded. Black candle tells me that the stock gapped up to 5 cents, took on some early buying pressure, slipped back throughout the course of the day, but then pulled right back up to where it closed on Friday to finish the day even. It's a nice double bottom pattern. It looks like it's forming with this chart. A strong support level at 4 cents. I'll take a quick look at the indicators, seeing if they're giving me any hints that there might be some upward pressure coming in this play. See a nice upward trend in the MACD, and more importantly, histogram bars trending back towards zero, which says there could be a bullish cross, the 12 passing through the 26 EMA. And what I'd be looking for if that bullish cross happens is for the 12 to curl back up, break back through zero. It's what's commonly referred to as breaking the money line because it's a very bullish indication. Similar to right through here, as it made its move, a large climb in price per share went on from 4 cents to almost a dime. So once again, I'll be looking for the bullish cross. Similar look with the PPO trending back towards zero, histogram bars trending back towards zero. I reference this a lot of times in video charts. When the ADX starts to approach 10, I look for a bounce or a reversal. A reading that low, the ADX only registering 15 at this point, says there's not a lot of strength to the direction. And what I'd be looking for is a curl on the ADX and some upward movement to help identify if there's some upward pressure coming into this play. Money flow index, there's a lot of separation. 7 is already making its move back upward. 14 moves a little bit slower, but it's starting to make its curl. Inevitably, it's going to move back towards 50 as well. Those three components of the MFI tend to not want to trend apart. They'll pull back together. And what I'd be looking for at that point is for a hold over top of 50. It's a better sign of buying pressure and a signal that the stock is trading at higher price points. The accumulation distribution has slipped back after touching those highs, but in a little bit grander scheme of things, still making higher lows. And in the very short term, it's also making higher lows. Much like everything else, I'll want to see the higher low pattern continue, and I'll look for an upward channel that tells me that there's strong accumulation of this stock. Jake money flow is registering right around zero at this point. That tells me that over the last 20 periods, buying and selling pressure is basically equal, but making a sharp move over the last couple days. Of course, you want to see it back up in the green to say that buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. I like this look to the CCI. Slightly higher lows, holding above negative 100. Bottom feeders use that break of negative 100 as a buy point, and they'll hold it unless it breaks back down through negative 100. And they'll use that strategy because they're trying to catch the full breadth of a move, because technically the buy signal doesn't come from the CCI until the break of 100. So incorporating that plan allows technical traders that use the CCI the ability to try and catch a full range of movement. Bull stows in oversold territory, shows that momentum came out of the play after touching those 9.5 cent peaks. Now curling, heading back upward, breaking back through 20. Little bit of momentum's trying to come back into the play. The tricks, it's a lagging indicator, it's triple exponentially smooth. It just rotates very slowly. All I look for is something along those lines. Continue on the upward path, make a higher low, eventually try and establish a channel with some higher highs. RSIs, twisted sideways with today's even close. The bounce off of 4 cents. Some momentum was coming back into the play. And what I look for now is a continuation of that momentum and a break back through 50. Because what happens, similarly through here, the 7, 14, and 21 all making their way to the top half of that indicator, shows momentum's coming into the play, and it goes right along with the MACD and the trend shift, and a nice climb in price per share. So I'd be looking for the RSIs to push their way back through and hold above 50. From a candle standpoint, I'd be looking for 4 cents to hold as a bottom support. Stock has dipped below it a couple different times, bounced off at 3 cents, promptly pulled right back up. Dipped below it at the end of last week, but on Friday pulled up, continued to take on upward pressure today. And what I'd be looking for is a breakthrough and initial resistance at 5 cents. Bumped its head on it today and came back down, but there was a nice increase in volume to come up and challenge it. And I'd be looking for that volume to stay strong to take it out, because I see some more resistance at 6 cents. Now that's a key area because it puts the price per share back over top of the 50-day moving average. And if it takes out 6 cents, there's not a lot of resistance in the way again until the stock is approaching these old highs around 9.5 or even the 200-day moving average at 10 cents. Now it is forming basically a classic double bottom pattern. And what I'd be looking for in the bigger picture here is if it can go up and take out 9 cents, the way pattern targets are calculated, you simply subtract the bottom share price from the resistance point, the top share price, and add that difference onto the breakout point. But clearly it takes a large move to go from 4.5 cents to 10 cents. So I always look for smaller steps along the way, and that's breaking through the 5 and 6 cent resistance points. And on any sort of pullback, I look for it to hold a higher low, and in classic TA fashion, see those resistance points become support levels. For instance, if it breaks through 5, hits 6, pulls back. I want to see it hold 5 as support, make the higher low. If it breaks through 6, goes up, say hits 8, pulls back. I want to see it hold 6 cents as a new support level. Again, make a higher low, continue to establish an upward path and a new uptrend to go up and potentially challenge this top end resistance around a dime. Volume remains key. I want to see it very strong to break through resistance points. And without a doubt, I'd want to see this 4-cent support level hold to keep this stock technically in play. Those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the LIGA chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the OTCShowcase.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by OTC Showcase is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.